Today is 7th of September, and today I have taken M&M for the shorting. It is sold at 616.65. This is a trend trading. Waited so long for this indicators to give the signal, and let us see what will happen. 616.65 is the shorting price. $614.75. Present price is 614.60. Trend trading means lot of patience are required. You have to sit in front of the computer for hours together. When these two indicators were there near the bottom of the RSI line, that itself, at that time only we were knowing that the stock is going to give a short only in the noon. The lot size is 1400 here. ₹2, and Heikin the chart will look like this. This is a point at which we have shorted after formation of the doji here. I wanted to go to the Japanese ordinary candle, so 614.75. $614.35. This is one more clock I am adding here. The time is 2:27. Usually after 2:20 only in the noon the trading will come. At 1:40 England will come to our market. Then for the next half an hour to 1 hour there will not be any much trade. It will be preparation will be taking to take the trade in that one. Only after 2:20 or 2:30 only the market will go down, the stock will go down. So up to 2:50 it will be there. At 2:50 at 3 o'clock the Asian countries will leave our market. So now it is 614. Here it is 227, 228. Here also 227, 228, and the here also 2 o'clock 228. Here also the 2 o'clock 228. This chart timing is also being shown as 2 o'clock 28 minutes. 2 o'clock 28 minutes. 2 o'clock 28 minutes. trading in the stock using the chart is only a 1%, but the selection of the stock only it matters. How do you select this particular stock at 10 o'clock itself, at 10:30 itself, that it is going to give a shot after 2 o'clock in the noon? That we were knowing this one after seeing this position here at 10 o'clock itself, 10:30 itself. We were sure that one this is going to go up, but we could have bought this one here at around 608 and left here at 616 here. But we are not going against the trend, this is going against the trend, so we will not take the opposite trend. So we'll wait for the opportunity to come and then we take the shot in that. If the market would have been a normal bearish day, then definitely we would have made the huge money in this one by this time. But the market is very bad, ugly bad market. It is 4 points, 3 points, 16 points up, 10 points up. And any day when the market is moving around plus or minus 20 days, it is neither a bullish day nor a bearish day. It is a flat market. In the flat market, trading is very difficult. Only 1 or 2 trades will get, that too only with an experience only. You'll have to take the trade in them. So better for the newcomers, you skip this particular trading on those days. Only when the market trend is clearly established, we can take up the position. Had the market would have been real bearish today, by this time it would have gone below 610. But now it is still loitering here only with the 2 rupees profit only. So let me see. $614, making a new low. ₹2.65 per lot multiplied by 1400 is a lot size. 3710 is M2M profit we are getting as of now. Today we were writing all these things step by step. Every 5 minutes we are updating this, how to trade using these 2 indicators, CMO and the RSI, in our Telegram channel. Same way today Bandhan Bank also has fallen. This is a point of shorting here, 310. Now it is being traded at 307 here. This is our stock. $233, $34, $233 and the $233, and the share count time is also 2 o'clock 33 minutes. 613.85. In Bandhan Bank also, when it goes from bottom to top, we'll have to wait. This stock was also identified at 10 o'clock only. This is a list of the stocks which you had identified. Jindal Steel was wrongly selected because it is there in the ban period. Later on, then we have left here. Bandhan, UPL, Tata Communication, M&M, everything were considered at around 10 o'clock itself, 10:30 itself. So we can see one by one here. Tata Consumers, you see it is going down. At 10 o'clock it was there, at 10:30 it was there at 556. Now you can see the rates here at 10 o'clock, 10:30, 4, or even at 11 o'clock it was at 551. Now it is at 544, 7 rupees profit, 7 into 2700. And then comes the M&M, which is already there going on. 612.20 is our M&M. Then UPL, here also this was identified, and this is there at 496, 497. Again it has touched the 496. Now it is available at 493. 3 rupees profit, 3 rupees into 1300. And then the Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank, it was peak, it had made at 310.75 or 310 here and 304.95 here. Around 5 rupees into 1800. This is the thing which was identified at 10 o'clock itself. $612.50. Now also chances are that it will go down. Still some more chances are there. $616.65 minus 612.35 multiplied by 1400, 6000. I'm going to book the profit here at this particular level. $612.65. Because Asian market will leave our market around 2:45 to 3 o'clock time. So before that it is better to close the position. 613.10. Yeah, at 613.10. Yeah, at 613.10 we are going to close the trade here. Closed. 616.65, sorry, 616.65, 616.65 minus 613.10, 3.55 into 1400, 4970 is a profit. So this is what we are going to, how to do the trading in the noon trading we are going to do every day. Thank you very much. If anybody is interested, they can join our paid online training program. In that one, all these trend trading related things will be taught. Thank you and goodbye.